more time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins, let me be empty, oh and weightless, and maybe we'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel, far away from here, from this dark cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting, keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness, oh this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees in the arms of the angel, far away from here, from this dark cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Well done, Livia. Louise, what did you think of Livia's performance?
Livia, first off, the video itself was really, really stunning, really creative, using the mirror and stuff. My only worry is that the fact you were sat down at a table, you know, when you sit down, you lose a lot of control you can get in your stomach, which obviously we spoke about in your lesson about using these muscles here. And when you sit down, you're automatically restricting yourself. So just in future, bear that in mind. If you're going to sit down, it can impact your vocals a little bit. You've got a really sweet and pretty voice, and it was a really sweet and pretty vocal. It was all in tune, it was all lovely. It was just a bit of a safe song, you know. But that doesn't mean to say it wasn't good, because it was a lovely performance. But you know, we spoke about in your lesson about the vowels and opening your mouth and letting the sound out, but you're still really closed in the video, and it causes you to be a bit nasally, because you're letting your sound come out of your nose rather than opening your mouth and letting it resonate throughout your mouth. And the build wasn't quite there. The second verse did get a little bit more something, but it wasn't like a build. It was just a little bit extra, So definitely work on that now in the weeks. But you've got a massive potential. You just need to work hard and harness it now, and really start to build on your skill. But well done, babe.
Kelly?
Yeah, the one thing that really stood out was the interaction that you had with sort of like the camera, because your eye contact was like continuous. So I thought that was a really good, especially if you were on stage and you had that eye contact with the audience. That would have worked really, really well. You can tell that you sort of favour like the musical theatre sort of aspect, because like obviously the songs you've chosen now, they've all been very, very similar, and your diction is very crisp and very clear. There was one part you sang the word empty, and I think you sort of flipped into your head voice. You did something really different with it, but unfortunately that was the only part of that song that had anything changed. Or so it shows that you do have the potential to take songs and make them your own. And I think I'd like you to step outside of the box completely and do something that you wouldn't normally do, and really sort of like, push the boat out, take on a modern song and make it yours. Try and find where your voice sits, because you've got a lovely lower register, but when you're going up into your higher register, we're losing that tone, because like Louise said, it's really, really nasally. So I think you need to take advantage of this process to find out your sound and where you can go with it and what you can do, and try and fit your vocals to a song that'll bring out the best in you. And at the moment, these song choices, I don't feel that they're doing that for you. So maybe just experiment a little bit more and take Louise's advice on board when she's coaching you, because she can help you with song choices and everything technical as well.
Yeah, Livia, I believe the problem is, over these processes, we do have singers that come through, obviously lots of different styles, different techniques, but we do have singers, and I've seen singers like yourself before in the process, and there's a few names that remind me in my head, but basically, it's almost like you're still young. I don't know if you get coaching or whatever, but it's almost like some people, they get coaching, and they're told to do things in a certain way. And when they're told to do things in a certain way, without any experience, that's all they know. So it's almost like every song you sing, it sounds identical. That everything's the same. And not what doesn't help that is the song choices too. The song choices are a little bit repetitive and overdone. And when you come into a process like this, we want to challenge you. We want to see what else is behind what you're doing. And that's what we're not seeing at the moment. That's what we're not seeing. We're seeing a really pretty voice that's in pitch, on point, whatever, so, whatever we want to say, but there's nothing extra to it. There's nothing extra. So what I'm saying to you is that it is there. You are capable of taking risks and doing little things with your voice that maybe you've not explored in, but that's for you to challenge yourself with. Don't be frightened of doing something a bit different with a song. Don't be frightened to do your own little thing and put your own little Livia thing into it that's different to anyone else, because we're going to see more of what you're capable of. And when people do that, it's not the fact of, we want to hear them sing a song completely different. It just allows somebody coming into the business like yourself to actually explore and learn new things. And that's what we want to see. So take that on board for future preference. Pick your song, but don't be frightened to feel like you haven't got to sing it all perfect in shape, exactly like the original. Don't do that. Let yourself go into it and do whatever you want to do to it to make it yours, not the originals. Because I don't want to hear the original again. I've heard that song 1,000 times. I don't want to hear that song again. I want to hear something different with it. All right? So other than that, well done. A lovely vocal again. And I just want to pick up quickly, amazing quality to your videos. Every one of them I've seen so far. Incredible quality. Love the mirror and everything. Well done.